Hello again from me. Today I want to show you a video do-it-yourself, how to change a fabric on a door panel. If you have this issue like one of my clients do, the fabric came off and now he wants to put a new fabric on. This door panel is from three-door Volkswagen Golf, I think it's 6 or maybe 5, I don't know. And you can do it by yourself, you don't have to take it to the shops. The most important thing is, this is the fabric that was original on, and as you can see, it just came off. And this stuff is the old foam mixed with the glue. So the most important thing is not to do this, not to put the foam down with the machine. Just use this metal brush like this. You can do it like this, easy, handmade, and everything will come off. Everything will just come off. As you can see, the benefit of using this metal brush is in one thing: there is no moisture underneath. If you use a machine to put the phone away, it will spread and it will be very gluey. So if you use a metal brush like this, everything comes off nice and easy, and the surface looks very nice. It looks very nice, very clean. I will clean it after all, but the surface is better than if you use a machine. So do it like this. Find in your garage a metal brush and everything will come off. Here it is. I finished brushing all the old sponge away, and now of course I will clean it and just sand it a little bit, but now I have to put those pieces away from here and here and here. And the easiest way to do it is just use a small flat screwdriver and put it like this. And like this, as you can see, all goes away. Just take your time, don't rush. See, everything must come off. Well, now it's cleaning time. I'm gonna just clean it like this, wipe it off, wipe it down, some foam that was left on the surface, just like this, and after that I'm good to go with the final step, putting on a new fabric. Use some rubber gloves because this foam is very sticky and it will stay on your hands. It is hard to wash it off, so if you have a chance, just use some rubber gloves like I did. So the next final step is to measure the new fabric, just like I did before. This is the new fabric with new foam. It's very soft and it looks like original one. It's very similar. They're almost the same, so this is a good job. Be careful not to cut too much. Extra, you can leave it extra, but don't cut too much. It's gonna go like this here, and after that it's gonna go like this here. The extra, this will be cut off and put inside. This is how it's gonna look. Okay, let's go. So before putting the glue on the material, just use a little mask tape for approximately 4 or 5 centimeters around this edge, all the way here. This is for the safety. When you're spraying the glue on, some glue will come on this plastic here, and you're gonna use some time to clean this. And preventing that, just put the tape, masking tape on, and when the glue sprays a little bit over the edge, you will just peel it off, and you're not gonna clean anything, because it's gonna be cleaned and protected. So just do it like this and you're good to go. In this case, I'm gonna use a glue in a spray like this, and just easily put some layers on. Okay, we're good to go here. Put the fabrics here, and let's go. Okay, now just put some glue. I'm gonna put glue to this line here, because I'm gonna glue half now and half later. See how some glue went off over the edge, and this masking tape is good, because I won't have to clean this plastic around, because I will just peel it off and it will come off. So now I'm gonna leave it for 5-6 minutes, and after that I'm gonna put the fabric on to this edge here. I'm gonna first put first half, and after that the second half. This is what was I talking about earlier. You see, look at this glue here, but look at now, it's all comes off, and the surface is nice, clean. Here it is. I just put the first half on, and I will leave it like this for 5-6 minutes, and after that I will glue this side here and this here, and just bend it over. When you're putting the fabric on, just be gentle. Don't press too much with your fingers on, because you will leave the finger marks on the fabric. So just be gentle like this. Just gently smooth it on, the material on, and it's gonna look good. Let's go to the disco. I wanna go back and forth like a yo-yo. So this is the second half of my fabric. I put the glue on. Now I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, and I'm gonna just bend it and try to smooth it so it goes like this part here, you know. So as I did before, I'm gonna put my mask tape off, and looks good. There is no glue on the plastic panels, and I did a great job by putting some mask tape, as you can see. Okay, 5-6 minutes, and I'm gonna finish it. And here it is. I couldn't film and work by two hands, so I had to finish this and after that film it. So This is how it looks almost at the end. And now I just have to cut extra fabric 1 centimeter around this edge here, and after that I'm gonna put fabrics behind this line inside, and it's gonna be perfect. Well, let's go. Here it is. I'm using this tool. I don't know how to say, but this is the tool for removing plastic parts from the car, and I'm gonna do it like this. See? Fits just nice. So that's why you need that extra fabric, approximately 1 centimeter, so you can put the fabric inside. And now you get this nice edge. Here it is. Here it is. I finished this edge here. And now I'm doing this upper edge here. If you don't have this tool, this orange tool, you can use a small flat screwdriver like this and just easily put the fabrics inside this edge, as you can see here. See? Gently put it in, and it's gonna stay in like this. There it is. And here is the final edge that has to be done. There it is. Just come here with this tool here. Everything goes nice. There it is. This is the finished product. Yeah. Well, this is the final product. I showed you how to do it yourself. It's not hard, just take your time and you can do it. If you want to fix your door panels, this is the way I do it. So if you have some other way, you can do it by your way, but this is easy. You can do it by yourself. And if you have Golf 5 Volkswagen with this kind of door panels, then it's gonna be easy for you. Here it is. Okay, thanks for watching. until the next project.